Can a country unrecognized by the international community provide a model for democratic governance in Africa? Welcome back, and my name is Saeed Jama. Democracy, a complex concept in the African context, takes an intriguing twist in Somaliland, an unrecognized yet democratic entity. Somaliland, a self-declared independent state in the Horn of Africa, has been making strides in democratic governance even without international recognition. This is a tale of resilience, determination, and an unwavering commitment to democratic principles. Let's take a stroll down the memory lane. Back in 1991, Somaliland declared its independence, a move that sparked the beginning of a remarkable democratic journey. Fast forward to 2001, the adoption of a new constitution set the stage for a robust democratic structure. This constitution laid the foundation for multi-party politics, a vital ingredient in any thriving democracy. Then came 2002, a significant milestone as Somaliland held its first multi-party elections. This was no small feat. It was a testament to the people's determination to embrace democratic governance, even in the face of adversity. The years that followed witnessed peaceful power transfers, a rare spectacle in the region. This was not by accident, but a deliberate effort by the people, civil society, and the government. They have continuously worked together to nurture and protect their hard-earned democracy. Despite numerous challenges, Somaliland continues to uphold democratic values, a rare feat in the region. Somaliland's journey has been a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. From the ashes of a tumultuous past, it has risen, carving out a democratic niche in the heart of Africa. Through peaceful transitions of power, free and fair elections, and a vibrant civil society, Somaliland has become a shining example of democracy in action. Its story is an inspiring reminder of the remarkable things that can be achieved when people come together. Somaliland is not just a beacon of democracy in Africa, but a testament to the power of a committed citizenry in shaping their political destiny. Thank you for watching. See you until next video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel since we are a new channel.